Hello everyone. Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is United Nations Day 2025. This topic relates to International Relations section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Let's see why this is in news. United Nations Day 2025 is being celebrated on October 24th, 2025, marking the 80-year anniversary of the establishment of the United Nations. The day highlights the UN's continued commitment to global peace, human rights, and sustainable development. With new initiatives like Agenda 2030, the Pact for the Future, and the UN80 Initiative, this year's observance focuses on renewing international cooperation for a better world. Now let's discuss about different organs of the UN General Assembly. The UN General Assembly is the main policy-making organ of the organization, which comprises all member states. The UN Security Council. The Security Council consists of 15 members, 5 permanent members, China, France, Russian Federation, the United Kingdom, and the United States, and 10 non-permanent members elected for 2-year terms. UN Economic and Social Council. It is the principal body for coordination, policy review, policy dialogue, and recommendations on economic, social, and environmental issues. Trusteeship Council. One of the main organs of the UN was established to supervise the administration of trust territories as they transitioned from colonies to sovereign nations. International Court of Justice. The ICJ is the only international court that settles disputes between the 193 UN member states. Secretariat. The Secretary General is appointed by the UNGA based on the Security Council's recommendation and serves as the Chief Administrative Officer of the organization. Now let's discuss about history of UN. The United Nations was founded after World War II to prevent future conflicts and promote peace. The UN Charter was signed on June 26, 1945, in San Francisco by 50 nations. It came into force on October 24, 1945, officially marking the birth of the UN. Since then, October 24th has been observed annually as United Nations Day, celebrating the world's largest intergovernmental organization's founding principles: peace, security, and cooperation. Now it's time to do a practice question. The UN Charter was signed in which city? A. New York. B. Geneva. C. San Francisco. D. Washington, D.C. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.